Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Our topic says names of nature in Igbo language. Class, I'll say that. Names of nature in Igbo language. We are going to mention some elements of nature today in our lesson. Ihe dịrị ka chi si kee ha. Let's start. Number 1 is sky. Sky or heavens. You can call it sky. This is sky or heavens. In Igbo, it means igwe or eligwe. When you call it sky or heaven, in Igbo, it means igwe or eligwe. Number 2 nature is stars. Stars in Igbo, we call it kpakpando, or say it kpakpando. The one that shines at night, we call it star in English. In Igbo, it means kpakpando. Another nature is land, or say that land. Land means ala in Igbo. Ala, the one we march on, we call it ala in Igbo. The fourth example says bush, or say bush. Bush in Igbo, it means ohia, or say that bush, ohia. We all know the meaning of bush. In Igbo, we call it ohia. Another nature is sun, anwụ or anyanwụ. Sun, anwụ or anyanwụ in Igbo. If you call sun anwụ, you are correct. If you call it anyanwụ, the same thing. So sun is one of the elements. It shines in the day. Okay? Another one is wind. Wind, or say that wind in Igbo, we call it ikuku. Class, or say that wind, ikuku. The seventh one is sea, or say sea. Sea means osimiri or oke osimiri. You call it sea, osimiri or oke osimiri. Another nature is moon. Moon, or say moon, the one that shines at night. You know, moon is different from stars. You have only one moon. Either it came in full or half. When you have complete moon, you have it in circular form. When you have complete moon, you have it in circular form. In Igbo, as no onwa agbazuwo, it came in circular form. When the month is half, in Igbo, the moon became half. Semicircle. It will not be complete. It will be in semicircular form. So moon shines at night. We call moon in Igbo onwa. Another one is grass. Grass. Grass means ahihia. Grass in Igbo, it means ahihia. Another nature is flower, or say flower. Flower, we call it in Igbo okoko. Again, flower, okoko. That is the meaning of flower in Igbo. Another one is mountain, ugwu. Class, say it. Mountain, ugwu. We call mountain in Igbo ugwu. Then we have another one, valley, or say valley. Valley means ndagwurugwu, or say that valley, ndagwurugwu. Another one is snow. This one is snow. We call it snow. Snow in Igbo, it means mkpụrụ mmiri or akụ mmiri. Mkpụrụ mmiri. Snow, mkpụrụ mmiri or akụ mmiri. When you have heavy rainfall, you will notice that at times you have snow. Like earlier this year, some parts in Africa, like February rain, some people notice this mkpụrụ mmiri, the snow. Okay? Then lastly, you have stone, or say stone. Stone in Igbo, it means okwute. Stone, okwute. All of them are examples of elements of nature or nature in Igbo language. Ihe dịrị ka chi si kee ha. We are going to use them one after another in our next lesson. So like and share our videos. You have known examples of elements of nature. All of them are being created by God, the maker of heaven and earth. So like and share my videos. Follow us for more. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.